Aloha folks, and welcome to Kimo's Grinds. Today we're going to be making spam musubi. This is a local favorite. All it is spam, some seaweed, and I use hopper rice, but you can use white rice, you can use brown rice, you can use teriyaki chicken. But actually, I marinated my spam, and this is what this is, and I did fry it in teriyaki sauce. I actually marinated in teriyaki sauce I made myself, but you can buy it at any grocery store that you wish to do. And what I do, because I bought this from a store of some sort, and it's actually a cheese slicer, meat slicer. It looks like this. It has like 6 slices. It's more uniform, but you can also just use a regular knife. You don't have to do this, but I just make it more uniform this way. This is all I did. Okay. Now making spam musubi is fairly simple. Obviously you use the rice cooker to do it.
What did you marinate the spam in?
The spam is teriyaki sauce.
Okay.
So, and then I fried it in a skillet, and then I just, did that. Also, you can put furikake, but where I live, and I can't seem to find furikake, but you can order it online, or where you live, if you have a good Asian store, you can get furikake on top of the rice. Now, where's my spoon? And this is just regular seaweed. I'm actually using sushi seaweed. I cut it in half. There's actually little lines that go through it, so you can do that. So this is a mold. You can use the can, but the mold is a lot better. You can find this again online, in the Asian store. They should all have some, wherever you live. I bought this from home. It's just plastic. You kind of put it in the middle of your seaweed. And then what I do is put the rice down, and you don't have to be perfect. By no means not perfect. And this is a little squisher thing. Again, it comes with it. Then you squish it down. So you do that, and you make a nice little square. Then you get what I do after I do that. I just push this out so the thing comes off fairly easy. So my square is like that. La that. See how pretty that looks? And then you'll be able to put furikake on here, but again, I don't have it. It's not necessary. Put a piece of spam. So you do that. And I have a little water because the seaweed is dry. So just put a little bit on the edge like this. Sorry, you can't see it if my bowl is in the way. It's my bad. So you do that like that. You fold it over like this. And that way it goes like this, and then you go like this, just on top like that, and then you go like that, and you want to do this. So, and you fold it. I like a lot of that, those like that, and then you just do this. You flip it over, and it kind of just seals itself after you do that. See, I like a lot of seaweed on mine, but you don't have to do that much. It actually has 6 strips, so you can do like 2 strips, or you can do it like this too. So whatever you like when you try the spam musubi. And that is basically it. And then I just wrapped it up in plastic wrap. You can do this. Careful, sharp edges. Just go like this. And you just wrap it up. And this is good cold. You can warm it up, whichever, how you like to eat it. Like I said, this is a snack in Hawaii. When you go for the beach, every store has it, and you just fold it up, and then you just keep going until you get done making them all. So hopefully you will at least try a spam musubi. You can make this at home, and look forward to seeing you again. Aloha from Kimo's Grinds. Aloha, folks. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for notifications. Aloha.